Nappy Vereen. Should braid the tattoo to be official. What do I want to talk about today? It's common sense, you know. It's basically one of those things where when your words aren't being taken seriously from the person that you're trying to get the message out to, and they refuse to understand it or they can't understand it, it's you know what it's gonna do? It's either gonna make you build some kind of resentment or grudge towards that person, or it's gonna veer you off to the point where you want to talk to somebody that's not directly inside of the whole issue that you're trying to relay the message to. And you know, that's the thing that sucks, man. You could talk about so many things, and then if you pinpoint something out that you notice that you're trying to fix, or you're wondering what it is, and it's making you come with all these assumptions, it just sucks when the person that is directly involved into it, that you're trying to relay the message to, doesn't understand the point that you're getting to. So for everybody out there, man, it sucks when you feel alone when you're around a group of people or you're in a relationship with somebody, and like it just sucks when you feel alone because you're being misunderstood. Like you're trying to explain it the best way you can, and those people refuse to see where you're coming from. It just, you know, it sucks, man. You just got to find somebody out there that you can talk to, and you know, it's one of those things. Venting gets you very far, and expressing your emotions, you can't hold that in, because I've dealt with so many people that they might be tough on the outside, but you're going to realize that they're the most emotional people that you could deal with. They just don't know how to express themselves without going the violent way, or without coming off as ignorant or loud and whatnot. Listening to somebody could take them a long way, could change somebody's life. Some people just don't even have anybody to listen to. For them to, you know, and it just sucks because there's so many people out in this world, but it's like, who do you have to trust? Who can relate to you? Who can you get all this stuff off your chest to and be like, man, that changed my life. I'm so glad that you listened to me. Just even listening to somebody, just even listening. A lot of people don't even have that nowadays, and it's sad. You know, so for everybody out there, man, I hope things get better for those kind of people, and just, it sucks to be alone. But you can get through this, you know, events. Don't let it be a cry for help to the point where you feel like you're lost. You don't have anybody at all. There's no family or whatever. You can find somebody. You know, reach out. There's websites, or just a friend is all it takes. So again, it's Nappy Vereen. Show the branded tattoo to be official. Hit me up with Facebook.com/NAPPYVREN7. No fake excuse, face the truth, and taste the proof. Asiago.